Okay, so you'll have noticed watching YouTube lately that you see a banner along the bottom of YouTubers trying to sell merch. What that is a company called Teespring is paired up with YouTube, and it allows creators to sell their merch directly off of the videos that they make. Problem is, nobody's actually did a review on the merch and the quality of it.
So what we did, if you couldn't tell already, is we bought all our own crap, and we're gonna review it, just for you guys.
Here we go. Pretty swanky hat, isn't it?
Yeah,
I think this is. I think I'm gonna start a new trend by not bending the beat.
Yeah, that'd be a really cool trend. Wait. Okay.
It's so hot.
This is a large I'm wearing.
A couple of other nice things about Teespring.
G-string.
The G-string that we bought off Teespring. This
It's
is like no beer at all either. It's like straight sober.
Don't buy any of our merch. It's just trash.
No! Yeah, I got it. This shirt, so basically we have a saying, if you're not filthy, you're not rich. This is actually a 48 Studebaker we built on a RT Dakota frame. No issues with the t-shirt so far, I don't think.
I like them, they're comfortable, they're soft. The cut's nice for me, for the full-size people in the world. Not like these skinny guys, these skinny Dutchies running around.
There's a couple different options for hats. I'm more of a flex fit large, and unfortunately they don't have that. I'm pretty fussy with my hats. Hats, you're gonna have to see whether you like it or not. Aaron here has got the trucker hat with the mesh at the back. Decent beak, so it's not a chintzy beak. I'm happy with that for putting a curve on it.
Yeah, they hold their shape.
Yeah, I'm okay with it. I wish they would have a large and a medium flex fit. I take my large flex fits, I wash them, stick them in the dryer, shrink them slightly, and that's the way I like
you're
my
learning all
hats.
the DEBOSS secrets. This one has a green. This one is not allowed for Rich because that'll be black in about a week.
It already is.
Yeah, and
I touched it once.
Yeah, you touched it once. It's already marked. So this is for the cleaner people. It actually doesn't show it on the website that it's green, so we're telling you now it's green. But it looks good. It looks legit. The quality is good.
Yeah, the black hats I recommend for anybody in the shop.
Yeah. So I'm more of a toque fan than a baseball hat fan, and I actually enjoy these toques. It's a good size, because sometimes when you buy like toques, they're meant for little people, but I have a decent sized head, and this one's pretty good. Stretchy, nice. Got the logo there.
Nice toque, eh?
Yeah, it's a nice toque. It's good when you're a little bit cold, eh? Okay, I got this.
Look at that.
Oh, it's just a great sweater.
It's a great sweater.
I forgot to get the DEBOSS one. Let me go get a DEBOSS one.
So sweaters, we've had an issue with sweaters. I'm wearing a premium sweater, and
I'm wearing the classic sweater.
Yeah, and yours is actually
less flammable.
I've had a lot of comments about my neck hair and why I should shave my neck hair. And the sweaters do solve that problem by being extremely flammable and catching fire and then burning your neck hair off. Weren't so happy with this one for a couple reasons. It's comfortable enough, but this quality is not up to par. The fuzzies come off, so you constantly have this. Even if you don't have neck hair, it looks like you have neck hair because these
neck hair.
These are all over your neck and your ears and your hair. So that was disappointing right from the start. Now we're not saying that clothes are supposed to be flammable. They're not advertised as being flame retardant.
Yeah.
But it was not much of, like, I think I was welding. It was only like.
And you're only like soaked in diesel. It's not the sweater's fault. It's the fact that you're diesel.
I do sweat diesel and grease, but
it is a softer sweater though.
It's soft. It feels.
It's like that's a pajama sweater.
It is.
That's your go comfy in. But we are not pajama sweater people. We figured most of you guys aren't just sitting at your computer all day watching YouTube. Maybe. So we went with the classic sweater. This is a little bit better on the hood. It's got the fabric lining the inside, so it won't catch fire as quickly if you're welding with it, which you shouldn't be anyway. It's comfortable. I'm a double XL. I know, guys, that's shocking. And this is an XL, and it actually fits pretty good, and I'm wearing clothes underneath. I'm not just nude. A good thing about this sweater is they're color matched pull string, so you can choke yourself out in style.
The premium ones had just a white shoelace.
I think those you could probably strangle more with that.
I think they're longer.
Who uses these things anyway? Non-factor, don't worry about those. But I should really put on a DEBOSS sweater. So, what do you think? I can see more.
I think
that one's thinner.
This one's thinner?
Yeah, because it's like a...
Stefan and I disagree on everything, and I think that this one is thinner.
That's why we create content.
This is the premium long sleeve t-shirt.
And I've got the short sleeve on with the...
I like it.
They fit nice. This is because I'm a big boy, as they like to say, bigger boy. And this is the double XL, and it fits my shoulders nice and square.
Okay, so I'm 6'4", 6'5", somewhere around there. This is an XL, and the sleeves are still long enough that I don't look like they're down here. I roll my sleeves up anyway, and I like that because they're tight enough that they stay put. So what we found between the t-shirts and the long sleeve t-shirts, they match. So if you fit an XL long sleeve t-shirt, the XL t-shirt fits just as well, medium, whatever.
Yeah, the cuts are nice. It's not like, it's not jabbing into my armpits or nothing like that. These aren't crappy. We're still looking at stuff. If there's something that we like and we'll think is good quality, we will definitely put our name on it and try and sell it to you.
I don't...
Those would sell. Or I got these ideas, like a hat, a big old hat that go.
So we were selling phone cases with the DEBOSS logo, but this is Aaron's phone, not mine. And his first drop, he cracked it, the case, not the phone, which is okay. But because of that, we're not selling these anymore. They did not pass the DEBOSS test.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a shitty phone, too.
It's a shitty phone. Who buys an iPhone, Aaron? Like, you come on. I recommend full cover phone cases.
I recommend phones that
can throw.
don't need a case, don't have a case. I don't think Teespring is aiming for the heavy-duty market.
No.
I've tried OtterBoxes and Life cases, and my phones still have never lasted longer than 6 months. So we just went to industrial phones, and so far, this one's good. So this is the classic long sleeve t-shirt, and I think it's less of a thread count than the premium. But
It's still good quality.
It feels a little thicker. Same thing, the sleeves are nice. Can definitely tell that the other one's a little nicer. I'm pretty proud of this one. It's a 6-cylinder because I'm a Cummins fan, but if you look real close, there's numbers upside down. And that's when you set your valve. So 1 and 6, when 1 is rocking, you set 6. When 5 is rocking, you set 2, and 3 is you set 4. So when you're setting your Cummins up, all you have to do is look down.
It's upside down.
Yeah, you just look down, you're like, okay, 1's rocking, and so check out the video on how to set valves, and then this sweater is actually pretty handy for that.
This one don't run anymore.
All right, so we do sell stickers as well. The first round of stickers that we sold, they weren't die cut, and we've had a couple people mention that. They were a little disappointed with that. They do sell die cut stickers now. We're not selling the first generation anymore. We really want to thank you guys that jumped right off the bat and started buying as soon as we were selling. We didn't even have our stickers in yet before other people had theirs. Hopefully Teespring was able to take care of you, and we do want you guys to know that we don't handle any of the stuff, which makes it kind of nice. Let them do what they're good at. That gives us more time to do what we're good at, which is building cool stuff. If you guys have any ideas that you want to see on there, something we forgot about or whatever, you can always comment down below and let us know what you want to see on a shirt.
A f***ing shirt that says loser. Or, I don't know, like I have to talk to the hand or something like that, man.
The nice thing as a creator working with Teespring is they take care of all the shipping and the inventory. We don't actually have any inventory. We don't handle returns, warranties, or where it gets delivered and when. And that leaves us more time to do what we're good at, which is building awesome vehicles.
We don't have a guest room full of t-shirts.
No, that's
and like extra smalls.
that smell like diesel. And
that will eventually turn into rags in the shop. One benefit, if you guys are supporting us on Patreon, is that we actually give you a discount code, so you can save a little bit of that moolah moolah on buying stuff off of Teespring.
It has been nice working with Teespring. We used to be with Spreadshirt. You'll see Teespring start to really dominate. Obviously, them pairing up with Google is a huge deal for them. Most of their stuff is good. Not everything's good, but that's the way it is.
But we're going through it and we're weeding those out for you.
So definitely comment down below if you've got any suggestions for Teespring, if there's something about the process you don't like, if there's something that could be better. We do make review videos, and whether you believe it or not, the companies do actually read the comments.
Dude, I get these ideas. I got so many ideas burning through my skull, buddy.
Focus group, is that what you call it? We're a focus group?
I guess we are a focus group.
Yeah, yeah.
We're focusing on a group, and that's focusing on us.
Something like that.
What are you looking at?
Yeah, unfortunately, there's no merch for your pets.
Not yet.
So, yeah, suck it up, kitty.
Yeah.
Oh, that just took a 10-minute video. You don't realize it takes 2 hours to make because of this.
Oh. Well, my wife wants to know how much the dog weighs, all right? This is important things. So I got these ideas
burning through my skull.
like a big old hat with a... That was self!
I don't know. It's going out because it's a much better shirt. That must have been burning in my hood for a while. Because there's no, like, the hole just started now, right? It's not nearly as flammable as that. It went out on its own.
What kind of test is this?
What?
Will it light on fire? Yep.
Yeah.
I love you, dude. I love you too, man. We don't say it enough. We don't say it enough.